Namaste guys, in this video we are going to make this mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. First click on assembly and click OK. After that go to assembly, click on insert components, click on new part. Select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Click on rectangle. Give it a length of 200 mm at a distance of 10 mm. Select this and this, make it 0. Now right click on it and click on construction geometry. Go to the features, revolve boss base, click on yes and click OK. After that go to hole wizard, click on thread, click OK. Uh, this is the starting point and here you will see the blind option. Instead select up to selections. Select this face. It will take some time, so keep calm. Now choose your thread type as per your requirement. So I'm choosing M20 2.5. Click OK. So this is the part we have created. Now select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Draw a circle as I'm showing. Give it a dimension of 20 mm. Exit the sketch mode. One more thing you can do is go here, right click on thread, click on suppress. The reason I have suppressed it so that it doesn't going to affect or load on my PC. I don't have a very powerful PC, so if I don't suppress it, my SolidWorks will going to be lag. That is the reason I have suppressed this feature. I will unsuppress this feature later onwards. So now press Ctrl plus 8 and right click on it, click on sketch and draw the rectangles. 2 mm. Select this point and this point by pressing Ctrl, make it coincide. Draw a center line, escape and click on mirror entities. Select these two lines only and mirror about this line. Click OK. Go to the features, click on extrude boss base. Select these two, enter the value of 20 mm, click OK. Select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, draw a circle here. As per your dimension requirement, I am making it 5 mm. Escape, select this point and this point, make it horizontal. Enter the distance as per your requirement, 10 mm in my case, and extrude cut through all, both sides. Click OK. So we have made our first part. Now exit the assembly component mode. Now what we need to do is we need to make one more part. So select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8. After that go here, click on new part. Select the top plane again and select the front plane from here and draw the rectangle as I'm showing. Make sure while making no external references is checked on, else you will face problem later onwards. Give it a dimension as per your requirement. Let's say 12 mm, 10 mm, 0, and this one is 40 mm. Click on revolve post base. Click OK. After that, we are going to use thread. Click OK. Select this edge and select this face. Up to selection, select this face. Now in this case, we will use extrude thread. OK, and make sure that the thread is same. And go downwards. Click on left hand threaded. Click OK. Exit the assembly component mode. Right click on this and click on unsuppress. Now click on this cut view. Click OK. Just to make sure that our dimensions are correct, that's the reason. So as you can see, they are completely merged. Okay, so the threading is okay. Now we have made this, but what I'm going to do is I'm simply right click on it, click on suppress, because they will going to load on my PC and I don't want it, so I simply suppress these features. You can also do this trick and it is very useful. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to make two more parts. After that we will do our animation. So let's create. Click on here, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Five mm, press Ctrl Z. uh, Before that, let's dimension them, and this one as well. This is 70 mm and this one is 5 mm. And go to the features, click on extrude, uh, select the mid plane 4 mm, click OK, and we need to make one more part. Exit the assembly component mode. So select this part and this part and this. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Right click on this part, fix it. We are going to fixing it for just for temporary moments, not for permanent. Select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Now we are going to make our last part. So before we make our last part, select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. We need to draw a line that will basically act as a center of all of it. 100 is fine. Exit the sketch mode. Now select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now go here, click on new part, select the top plane, select this. um, 59 or 60. Sorry, press Ctrl Z. Zoom in 60 mm. 5, 5 mm. Extrude it up to 4 mm is okay. Now exit the sketch mode. Now go to the mates, select this part and this line. Make sure it's concentric. Click OK. Similarly, select this face and this face. Make sure it's concentric. Click OK. Now, what we need to do is we need to define some mates. Before we that, select this part. Click on Edit Components. Select this face. Click on Sketch. Press Ctrl plus 8 and draw a rectangle as I'm showing. Go to the features. Select the midplane. Click OK. Select the front plane. Click on Sketch. Press Ctrl plus 8. Extrude cut through all. OK. Right click on it. Extrude cut through all both. Click OK. Features, fillet. Sorry, we need to use fillet here. Click OK. Now exit the assembly component mode. Now we have done everything. Now we are going to do the animation part. Before I go to the animation part, you can check out my course link for animation. uh, it is a course on Udemy and it's a very best course for the beginners if you want to learn Solidworks animation and motion analysis. I have explained everything. Plus, if you face any kind of doubts, I have created a special section in Udemy. So whatever you doubt you ask, I will create a separate video of it. So don't worry about it. Okay. So it's a worth of money. You can check out the course link in description. Now we need to move this. Now first right click on it. Click on float and select the top plane. Press Ctrl plus 8. Select the sectional view. Click OK and right click on thread, click on unsuppress. Similarly, right click on thread, click on unsuppress. Now we can see they are not quite merged with each other, so don't worry about it. First move this part to here. Now before moving, we see that they are not completely coincide. So right click on it, click on here, uh, select the view temporary axis, click on mate, select this axis and this axis, coincide it. This is a very important thing, so make sure you have done it. Now what we need to do is select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. We need to align this. So yeah, it's look good. Where is our last? Press F to fit the screen. Press Ctrl Z because I don't see my part. Where does this go? No, it's not high. Why it's not showing? So thing is here, but I don't know. Maybe some might be some bug. Right click on edit components. As you can see, sketch is showing on, but the part is not visible. I don't know why. Let's check the properties. Right click on it. It's not hide com. Okay, we have not hide it. I don't know why it's not showing. Uh, right click and drag it. Still not showing. I don't know why. Simply go here, right click on it, click on sketch, click save and continue. Save it as mechanism, save internal inside assembly. Press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C to copy the sketch. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy the sketch and exit it. I think this is some bug. I don't know why it's arising now. Select this, click on new part, top plane, press Ctrl V, features, extrude it. Okay. As you can see, it is some kind of bug and my parts are not showing. Okay, my fault, my bad. I'm very sorry about it. When I use the sectional cut view, I didn't see that thing, so sorry for that. It's my mistake. So exit addition component modes, right click on it, click on delete. And let's do the one more thing so that we don't do this kind of stupidity again. Just I'm making this part first time myself, so sorry for that. Sorry for time wastage. Press Ctrl plus 8 and now click on here, click OK. Don't worry about that part, we will get that part later onwards. And let's do the mating here, select this one and this one. Yeah, now we need to fix this. Okay, we have done this. Now click OK and hide this view. Now we need to animate. My question is, so how much it will rotate per distance? So it will rotate 360 degree at every 2.5 revolution. So how can we define the something? So there is a special method called rack and pinion. So we will use this smartly. So select this as a rack, select this as a pinion, and here instead of value of 4 mm, enter the value of 2.5 mm. Okay. Uh, for those who wondering where I get the value of 2.5 mm, just remember when I create the thread, it is 20 mm and 2.5 mm is the pitch. So this is where I got the value. So if I try to move it, you can see I'm getting this animation. And one more thing, just like this face, select this face, oh, this face, select this line, and click on coincident first, and select the top plane. Click OK. So if I try to rotate it, okay, one more mistake. Let's make it correct. Select the front plane. Click OK. So if I try to rotate it, and select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. So as you can see, it is quite going inside, so it is not correct. So what we can do is, for a second, first delete the sketch, delete it, and delete that, and right click on it, click on suppress for a moment, and we will move this to forward here up to this point. And first check the threading, click OK, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, make sure that the thread is at they are properly here. Now uncheck this, and after that right click on it, click on here, and if we see again, you can see, okay, you can see they are quite at the right place. Okay, now let's try to do the animation thing. Now go to the motion study, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, select this, go to the motor, uh, clear selections, select this face, click on reverse direction, enter the RPM as per your requirement. I am entering 30 RPM, but if you want to increase or decrease, it's up to you. And let's say FPS is 30 FPS is fine, I guess. And again, if you want to learn about animation and more, check out my course link in description for this. Okay, and select the sectional view for better, to see the results. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Okay, so if I try to click on calculate, okay, I need to fix this. I guess actually accidentally delete the main sketch. So go to the model. So what we can do is simply select the top front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, draw a center line like this at a distance of 100 mm or 60 mm. Exit the sketch mode. Now go to the mates, select this and this, make it concentric, click OK. Now close this, go to the motion study, click yes, click on calculate. Now it's way too, you know, it's way too, so move this backward, click on rebuild. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Let's place it in the correct position. Okay, and uncheck this. Click on calculate again. Still, it's not fully working. So what we can do is select this face, select the right plane, click yes, click on distance, yes, 140 mm is fine. Click OK, close it. Now click on calculate. One more thing is noticing that it is coinciding here, that is not we want. So for what we can do is go to the model, select this part, press Ctrl plus 8, select this, click on add components, right click on sketches, make it 55 or 50 mm. Okay, exit the assembly mode. Now go to the motion study, click yes, go click on calculate. Now it's fine, I guess. So in this, as you can see, you can convert a rotary motion into translatory motion, or you can also use your motor here instead of here. Okay, so it will, you can get the results. For example, if I stop it, right click on it, create new motion study, go to the motor, select this face, click on distance, let's say 720 degree, 0 to 5 seconds, click OK, and click on animate. As you can see, you can convert a rotary motion into a translatory motion, and you can do the opposite as well. So right click on disable. As you can see, the animation is looking quite good. Let's hide the temporary axes and sketches because they don't look good. So as you can see, our animations look quite good. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kinds of doubts and queries, make sure that you ask in comments. And remember, if you saw I'm doing any kind of mistakes, it's just because so that you can learn what kind of mistakes a beginner can do. And doesn't matter how much professional you will get, you will always do mistake and learn from it. So I hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.